Hey YouTube, today I'm just introducing my LeetCode series. I live streamed past few days and I was trying to figure out the format I want to do for these videos, and I started producing a few LeetCode problems where I literally just give you the solution. And I don't want to do that because there are a lot of other channels like Nick White and I think another guy's name is Kevin or something, and they do a great job of just really explaining the solution from a video format. I didn't want to recreate that because you should just go to their channels if you just need an explanation for the solution. But what I want to focus on is how to LeetCode. So it's kind of like more of a meta type thing, but it's like I want to record videos and show you how I tackle problems, how I start from the brute force solution and then work on that and get to the optimal solution, because a lot of people are LeetCoding very inefficiently and they'll just try to solve the problem in like 10 minutes, give up, and then look at the solution. And the problem with that is that strategy might be doable in the short term, but in the long term, you're gonna forget everything. And when you wanna move past like, E3, L3, the junior levels to like intermediate and senior, you're still gonna need to know LeetCode, and it's gonna be very crucial for you to kind of invest now when you have some time in your LeetCode skills. So then later on, the technical interview will be easier for you to crack. So with that said, the videos that I want to do is I will be showing you problems. Some of the problems I've already seen, and those are the ones that I already got a head start with. Moving forwards, all the problems that I show, I will never see them. I've not seen them before, and I will explain my thought process, and we'll start off with the brute force solution, and you can see what you should be thinking, what edge cases you should be thinking about, what cases you should be thinking about, and how to get that optimal solution. And then eventually, sometimes I will fail and not get the solution at all, and I'll show you when you should give up. So it's just really, these videos are more of how to LeetCode. You'll also learn the solutions themselves, but really what I want you to get away with the series is how to problem solve and how to critically think. So yeah, I'm really excited for this series. It's gonna be a ton of work on my part because these videos take a longer time to do than just giving you a solution in 10 minutes. So if you guys like these videos and they help you, please subscribe and like, and I'm very excited for this series. So I think that's it, and yeah, let's just get this started.